algorithms must be understood. First and foremost, apply the same rule to the standard algorithm to all strategies. If you use it, you must understand why it works and be able to explain it. Such as, let's figure out why this procedure works. Standard algorithms are a significant part of the development of the deep understanding of mathematics. So if students understand the algorithm and why it works, students can profit from making sense of the standard algorithm and why they need to use it. You will need to introduce and explain each algorithm to them and help them understand how and why it works. No matter how carefully you introduce these algorithms into your class as simply another alternative, students are likely to sense that this approach is the one right way when there is more than one way to solve these problems. The more we know more about the diverse algorithms students might bring to our classrooms and their ways of recording symbols for doing math will assist you in supporting students and responses to families. Inventive strategies are developed out of a strong understanding of numbers. The development of place value concepts begins to prepare students for the challenges of inventing computation strategies. When students are publicly sharing emerging ideas, students need a classroom environment where they can act like mathematicians and explore ideas without the fear. The break-apart strategy emphasizes the decomposition through place values. If you have 146 plus 321, we're going to break down the second number, 300 plus 20 plus 1, and plus 146 to find the answer. The jump strategy uses an empty number line, which is a number line with no pre-written numbers or tick marks. Students can use it to incorporate a sequential jump strategy that is very effective for their thinking. The empty number line is much more flexible than the usual number line because it can be jotted down anywhere and works with any numbers. Bar graphs can be used effectively to support students' thinking and help them explain their ideas to others. Bar graphs work particularly well for contexts that fit a comparison situation in a part-whole model. The shortcut strategy involves the flexible adjustment of numbers. If you have 51 minus 37, you can think of it as 37 plus 10 to get 47, 47 plus 4 to get 51. On the left, 71 minus 43, you take tens from the 10. So you have 73 becomes 70, 46 becomes 40. 70 minus 40 gives you 30, minus 6 gives you 24, plus 3 is 30. Take away tens and then 1. 73 becomes 73, 46 becomes 40. 73 minus 40 is 33, minus 3 is 30, minus 3 again is 27. 73 minus 46, 73 becomes 73, minus 50 instead of 46, gives you 23, plus 4 to get 27. 73 minus 46 gives you 30, minus 3 is 27.